Alright, good afternoon. Beautiful day today. Might go for a ride this afternoon. Anyway, there's the Interceptor, looking good. But the reason for this little video is I have finished the mini lathe. I put the 500mm long bed on it instead of the 300mm bed that it come with. Now with the bigger chuck and the higher tool post holder and the chuck for boring, I can put slightly bigger materials in it. This is just a piece of checker plate that I had lying around. Chopped it out of this piece here yesterday. Screwed it down. Some countersink M4 stainless steel screws, holding it all down. Made up this little box section tool holder. These are the chuck key pieces. There's a Allen key there for the tool holder, the chuck key, and the rotatable steady centre that goes in there. So that's it. I'm a happy camper. Having to play around with it, as you see, works well. No, she's good now. Okay, catches.